To the living area and the dining area, and that is the side where all your bedrooms. Kitchen over here is again a pretty spacious one. This is the master bedroom, which is comparatively bigger to the other. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottommost price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपके एक कॉल पे आपको आते हैं unlimited unwanted calls, at Housey ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पर हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ, जिसकी वजह से सारे के सारे बेनिफिट्स पास ऑन होते हैं डायरेक्टली आपको. खैर आज हाउसी पे मैं एकता कपूर आपको लेके आई हूँ एट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड अ यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट. This is Sukhwani Verde and this is located in Undri. Now it is also located right on the main road so that there is no inconvenience caused due to traffic that is there. Now let me take you into the sample flat, which is of approximately 950 square feet and is a 3 BHK. They have two different variants, the 2 BHK and the 3 BHK. I'm going to show you the 3 BHK today. Stay tuned with me. Let's go. And here is the 3 BHK. At the entrance, you get a beautiful video door phone over here, and also the doors are made up of this veneer single ply, and they have these rubber strips right over here. Now, at the entrance, you also get this large space for your shoe racks and storage units. We're gonna enter the house. The sample flat has been made in a butterfly concept, but the original flat will not have the bedroom over here. It will just have this bedroom on the other side. But I still would like to show you this bedroom right over here because this is the kind of layout that the bedroom would have. यहाँ पे inside this bedroom is the first toilet and bath that is attached, that comes with this wooden finished ceramic tiles and anti-skid ones, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And the bedroom has this big window over here, which is a sliding window, and it comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. Now let's proceed into the rest of the house. As I told you earlier that this bedroom would be placed on the other side of the house. Now we come back to the living area and the dining area, and that is the side where all your bedrooms would be. Let's first of all take a look at the balcony right over here. The balcony opens with these sliding doors, and the wooden finished ceramic tiles add to the beauty. And also the wooden ceiling is and indeed a beautiful one. Now it also comes with these toughened glass railings that are edged with stainless steel, and the balcony is covered from three sides. The living area, the dining area, and the kitchen. The kitchen over here is again a pretty spacious one that comes with this place over here for your refrigerators and this L-shaped granite slab that ends at a vegetable sink, and then the dry balcony or the enclosed utility area. The enclosed utility area, the tiles you can notice have already changed and they are anti-skid tiles, and it comes with a big window that comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net so that there is good ventilation and good lighting as well. Along with that, I really like these panels over here. These differentiate your dry utility area and your kitchen and can also be utilized because they have a pretty broad surface right over here. Now let's proceed into the rest of the house, and by the time we are doing that, also I'd like to specify that on Housey you can also see, other than sample flat videos, you can also see 360-degree tours, actual location tours, project overview videos, and also pros and cons videos. Now once you've seen all of this and you need to know price details, EMI details, down payment details, maintenance details, or absolutely anything else, all you need to do is simply click on the link that's mentioned right below in the caption, and you can download the e-brochure and also book your project site visit. Now there's one more thing that I wanted to talk to you about, that once you have liked all of this and once you have subscribed to our channel, and if you need to know any other details about this project, for instance you need to know the project overview of this project or the actual location tour of this project, there is an I button right over here. There's the info button. You can click on that, and with that you can get to know all the details of this related project. And one more thing, your views matter to us a lot. So in the comment section, I would really like it if you could also tell us if you like the location of this project. What do you think about this location? Have you been over here and are you looking out for properties in this location? Your views matter to us and also to the other viewers. Do let us know in the comment section what do you think about this location, and follow me into the rest of the rooms. Now right over here is the common area which comes with this wash basin and also an attached toilet and wash right over here, which comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and CP sanitary fittings as well. And it's time to now check out the kids' bedroom. Now the bedroom also comes with these rubber stripped doors over here and this is the place. It comes with a pretty big window right over here again, which has sliding doors and a pre-fitted mosquito net. And finally, it's time to check out the master bedroom. Opening the master bedroom, I also noticed that there are strips over here, also rubber strips. And this is the master bedroom, which is comparatively bigger to the other rooms. And they have provided space over here for your wardrobes right next to the window. This is an indent which has some furniture right now, but it can be utilized for your wardrobe. This window, which is a sliding window and comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well, and an attached toilet and bath, which is right over here. This bathroom also has anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and CP sanitary fittings as well. Now I'm going to do another location tour of this whole area, and all you need to do is that if you want to see the location tour, do not forget to click on the I button. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project where they located in Undri, Pune by Sukhwani Associates.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.